In this episode, we're going to tell you more about the 2021 range. They are two very different worlds, but they have one thing in common: a very strong personality. On the one hand, the world of the XDiavel, the cruiser as defined by Ducati, elegant, refined, low seat, forward foot pegs, high torque engine, so that sportiness typical of Ducati is always ready. On the other hand, the land of joy from the Scrambler range, easy, fun, an extraordinary mix of tradition and modernity, the carefree way to truly enjoy your bike. But together, let's have a look at the novelties of these two worlds. The XDiavel is a real cruiser. However, this is not just any ordinary cruiser. In fact, with the XDiavel, we have brought the genius of Ducati into the world of forward-controlled bikes. The latter are long, low bikes with a side-view teardrop tank. Their design is characterized by separate elements: a fully visible engine, extra-large rear tire, and belt final drive. XDiavel is the Ducati of cruisers. It's a techno-cruiser. It is elegant. It has a sinuous design, a muscular sculptured tank, short tail, the trellis frame in full view, and the engine is aesthetically accurate in every detail. It is complete with technological features. In fact, it features full LED light clusters with a modern design and the Omega DRL. It is equipped with a single-sided swinging arm, as well as an advanced sports braking system. This bike features state-of-the-art electronics, riding mode, ABS cornering, traction control, and it also features the Ducati Power Launch. It's sporty because it has the riding dynamics of a Ducati thanks to its chassis and 240 rear tire. It is also marked by a sporty profile and features the same tires as the Diavel. It has the power of a Ducati and is as light as a Ducati. This bike is fun. It does what it promises. It is the most high-performance cruiser, but still enjoyable, even at low speeds. What we call the low-speed excitement. Thanks to the combination of weight and torque at low revs. 13 kilograms of torque at 5,000 RPM. For the new Euro 5 type approval, all XDiavel models have a new silencer and obviously new engine mapping. This allowed us to gain as much as 8 horsepower at maximum power and to achieve a better as well as a flatter torque curve at maximum RPM. For 2021, the XDiavel family is improved with a version that enhances the beauty of its shapes, thanks to the essential nature of black, a color that characterizes the whole bike. This is the XDiavel Dark. Ducati has a historical link with matte black, a history which started 20 years ago precisely in 1998 with the Monster 600 Dark, and it could not be otherwise. Black is the color of elegance and essentiality. A non-color that makes room for the stylish surfaces and shapes of this bike's technical parts. In short, it enhances the beauty of this bike. The total black, that is, black extended also to the mechanics, to the plates, to all the finishes, underlines what we call reduced to the max, a concept that inspires and guides our design. The essentiality of matte black makes this bike beautiful and elegantly aggressive. And now it is time to focus on sporty features. The XDiavel is a techno cruiser. It has the Ducati genes. Furthermore, its sporting soul is even more pronounced in this new version. The XDiavel Black Star. Its livery and equipment are inspired to the world of sports cars. This is both a refined and a high-tech motorcycle. That is why we chose neutral colors and tones, such as black and grey, since these are refined by definition. However, they convey a sporty feel to this bike, thanks to the use of matte shades and touches of red. Rigorous, sharply crossed cuts of color echo the concept of the X, which characterizes the XDiavel family. The red-painted cylinder head covers draw the eye to the engine, which is the star of this bike and is certainly a tribute to Ducati. The new rims, forged and fully machined, are the exaltation of lightness, true lightness, with savings of 2 kilograms and visual lightness. Even the seat, upholstered in high-grip suede material, speaks sportiness. The XDiavel is like a tailored suit. You can literally sew it on. Combining the standard foot peg adjustments with ergonomic accessories, there are over 70 possible configurations for the rider. For those who would like this bike to be even more unique, there is a wide range of accessories available to make it more sporty, elegant, or fierce. The family is complete, the Dark is essential, the S is elegant, and the new Black Star is sporty. But now, let's see the new 2021 bikes in action.